In this video, you'll learn how to access your Google Drive files on demand using FileStream so you can work with your documents quickly without filling up your computer's storage. I'll walk you through each action slowly and clearly, and you can pause at any time to follow along on your own screen. First, start by opening File Explorer on your computer. This is the file management window you usually use to browse your folders, like documents or downloads. You can open it by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. Once File Explorer is open, you'll see a list of locations on the left side of the window. In that list, look for Google Drive. Depending on your setup, it may say something like Google Drive for desktop, or show the Google Drive icon. Click on that. What you're seeing now is your Google Drive stored in the cloud, but presented like a regular folder on your computer. The big advantage here is that most of your files don't actually take up space on your hard drive until you open them or choose to keep them offline. Next, browse through your folders just like you normally would. Navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to use. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or almost any other type of file stored in your drive. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct folder so you're not downloading the wrong file. Once you've found the file you want, simply double-click it. When you do this, Google Drive FileStream will quickly download that file temporarily and open it in the default app on your computer. For example, a document might open in a word processor, a spreadsheet in a spreadsheet program, or a PDF in your usual PDF viewer. You'll notice that it feels almost like opening a local file, even though it's coming from the cloud. At this stage, the file is downloaded just enough for you to work with it, but it's not permanently stored offline. That means once you're done, or if space is needed, it may be removed from your device while staying safely stored in Google Drive online. This is great for saving space, but it does mean you need an internet connection to open it again later. If you know you'll need this file when you're offline, or you want to make sure it's always ready to open instantly, you can mark it to be kept on your device. To do that, go back to File Explorer and find the same file you just opened. Right-click the file to open the context menu. This is the menu that appears whenever you right-click on a file or folder in Windows. From that menu, select the option called Available Offline. When you choose this, Google Drive FileStream will download a full local copy of that file and keep it stored on your computer, even when you're not connected to the internet. The file will still sync with Google Drive, so any changes you make while offline will upload the next time you're back online. And that's all there is to it. You've seen how to open a file on demand so it downloads only when needed, and how to make a file available offline when you want guaranteed access, even without an internet connection.